Wala nakakaiyak. Alam ko yung alay ko para sa...
Wake me up!
Wake me up before. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, ano?
Ako wala eh.
Ano ito talaga lumabas?
Ano tawag doon?
Ano din natin sayang?
Game is life. Game, 1, 2, 3. Wake me up. Tapos tayo yung ano.
Wait niya.
Wake me up! Ayoko na! Okay.
Ako. Wake me up.
Wake me up.
Wait niya.
Wake me up inside.
Can't wake up.
Wake me up inside.
Hey, man.
And save me from the dark.
Wake me up.
Give my blood to
I
run.
can't wake up.
Before I come undone.
Hey, man.
Nababaliw na po talaga.
Nothing I've become. Bring me to life.
Wait, gabi na. Labat ka. Pinapanood ko ng magulang ko. Wala na meron Tita Ronda.
Nasengat ang babae.
Ano ba yung una ng balik na?
Ayun, pitch perfect tayo. Game. Yung ano?
Tingnan tayo ng moto.
Yung ano?
yan?
Ang tawag doon?
Ay, kilig tayo sa basket.
Masilya. Ace of
Ano yung pitch perfect? Okay. Ano sa early? 1, 2, 3.
Ano nga ba ako? Hindi ako marunong sa ganito. Hindi yung 8 na ba naman?
Ganda ka, Jay.
Seems,
1, 2, 3, go.
seems everybody got a prize. I wonder how to sleep at night. When the thrills come first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Everybody looks to the left. Everybody looks to the right. Can you feel that feeling tonight?
Ay naman, mali. Mali na!
Mali.
Money.
Wala eh.
It's right away to
Inay na bada.
Oh, cha-ching,
Ching, ay na bada.
Forget about Friday.
Nakakayaan naman, di ba?
Friday.
Yeah, bro.
Hey.
Don't you consider about me?
Kabisado.
I'll be alone, dancing, you know it, baby. Tell me your troubles and doubts. Give me everything inside and out.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Forget about me
Just the way you are.
as we walk on by. Will you call my name? As you walk on by. Will you call my name? As you walk on by.
I said yeah.
Wala pa, sige. Wala pa ba? Ulit.
Will you call my name?
I said
Yeah! Yeah! La 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 la. Tonight, I will rock.
Rock here tonight. But we know we might not get tomorrow. Let's do it tonight. Forget what they say. So tell me.
Tama na to siya.
Sinusulit.
Mama, yung cellphone ko.
Panoorin muna natin na yung video.